well and having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. If you guys can't tell, I'm not doing well. I have caught the dreaded flu or cold, or I don't even know what's going around the UK at the moment, but honestly, this knocked me for six. I was off work on Tuesday and then the rest of the week I have just felt so rough. I don't even know, so I do apologise if firstly my voice sounds a little bit funny. I have no idea. I can't hear properly, so I have no idea. Also I've got a cough sweet. I do apologise about that. If I have like shortness of breath, all of that stuff, I am so sorry, but honestly I needed to get this video done. I wanted to put this up on Wednesday, but there was no way I could film on Tuesday. I felt so rough. Or did this come to me on Wednesday? I can't even remember, but when this turned up I was like, I can't even fathom putting makeup on, but also I had no sense of smell, so it would have been pointless. Anyway, today we're going to be doing obviously the January Lush kitchen box. I am so excited to have the first box of the year. I have seen spoilers, I won't lie. Obviously I normally try and get these up quite quickly and it has been about 2 or 3 days, so I am a little bit late, but I am so excited to see what's inside anyway. And obviously with this month, I don't know whether I said last month, but I have swapped to the shower box simply because after Christmas, honestly, I have so many bath bombs, which, don't get me wrong, I am incredibly thankful for, because all I've done this week is have baths and like try and steam this cold out of me. But I do find that firstly I don't use them quick enough, but also because these are shower items, it means that Ryan can share it, so it kind of works a little bit better. So hopefully you guys don't mind. But anyway, ramble over, let's dive into the kitchen box for January. I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So this is what the box looks like on the inside, and scent wise, from what I can smell, because being real with you guys, it's there but it's minimal. It's minty, it's creamy, it's a very almost like, you know, I can't speak. You know polos, but you know when they used to do those blue polos? That's what this smells like. So good. Anyway, we also have this really adorable card. I really wish I kept all of these because I think the artwork on them all it's just always so beautiful. But yeah, this is what this looks like. And it says, New Year, encourage mint. Start off the year fresh with invigorating mint oils and cheerful scents to restore and revive you from head to toe. If I don't need that right now, I feel like they read my mind. That is exactly what I need. I'm going to hold up the rest so you guys can pause and have a read, because I just don't think I have the energy in me to read all this out loud. So that is what that says, and that is beautiful. So what I've just realised is this is actually the bath bomb box, not the shower. I'm going to double check on my Lush app to make sure I have swapped it, but it might be that it's going to come into play in February. So hopefully that will work. I'll have to double check, but I'm still really excited about it anyway. So let's dive into the items and see what we have. So the first thing we have is the Freeze body scrub. I absolutely love the new formulas of the Lush body scrubs. I think they're just so much thicker, so much easier to use. This is what it looks like, and in terms of ingredients, it has got sea salt, spring water, you've got seawater, you've got aloe vera gel, peppermint, bergamot, and sweet wild orange. Let's give it a smell. Ooh, okay, this one is actually thinner. I don't know if you guys can see it moving. This one is almost like a thicker version of a rub. Oh, it smells beautiful and I can actually smell it, which is so good. It's a very strong minty smell. If you don't like mint scents, you won't like this one, but for somebody who can probably smell about 5% of smells at the moment, this is wonderful, and I'm really excited to use this one. And on the front it says, reach for revival. A blast of refreshing peppermint wakes you up and fine sea salt scrubs you down. And again, the packaging of it is so beautiful. I love the detail and I can't wait to use it. So that is the first item in the box. Very happy about that. Okay, next up, let's go for another potted item. Oh, okay, so this is the Frozen Body Lotion for beautifully hydrated grapefruit and neroli fragrant skin. This is the frozen one. This is really cute. I love the look of this one. If this doesn't smell like the frozen bath bomb, I'm going to cry. I loved that bath bomb. Ingredients wise, you've got almond oil, cocoa butter, neroli oil, grapefruit oil, and rose oil. Let's see what this looks like. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, like me and body lotion, like I don't use it enough. I really should, because especially this time of year, like, oh, it smells like frozen bath bomb. Oh, it's so good. I can't even describe this to you. The only way I can describe it is it's a really lovely, uplifting, neroli kind of scent. It's really, really beautiful. And just so you guys can see the thickness, this is what it looks like on my hand. It's a very nice thin consistency. I don't like thick moisturisers. I rarely moisturise. This is the thing. Like, I know that I should moisturise as soon as I get out of the bath or as soon as I get out of the shower, but I just don't, because as soon as I get out of the bath or shower, I am cold and I want to put my clothes on and just be all cozy, you know? Oh, this smells beautiful. It has got a very subtle, almost like earthy smell to it, which is something you think I wouldn't enjoy, but yeah, it just smells really good, very uplifting, very just joyful. Do you know what I mean? Like, it's a really lovely scent. I absolutely love that one. And again, this is the Frozen body lotion. I just love the attention to details again with the packaging. I think they really pull out all the stops with this collection. I absolutely love it. So yeah, this is the Frozen body lotion. Absolutely love that one. The next item is a bath bomb, and I'm not gonna lie, we have had this bath bomb before. I did really enjoy it, but I cannot pronounce this bath bomb for the life of me. I will give it a go, but every single time I really struggle. So this is the bath bomb in the box. My hands are going to be stained blue. This is what it looks like, and this is the Abominable. See, I can't say it. Abominable. That's it. The Abominable bath bomb. It does smell really good. The only way I can describe the scent of this is it smells like those candy sticks you used to get when you were younger. It smells exactly like that. It's like a little bit sweet, it's fresh. There is definitely like a minty undertone to it, but it's absolutely beautiful. I don't know if you can see, that is some glitter throughout as well, so I can't wait to use that. But I am going to put it down because I'm pretty sure, yeah, my fingers are going to be blue, and even if I wipe them off, I'm pretty sure they are now stained blue, which is fantastic. So ingredients wise in that one, we have got peppermint oil, cream of tartar, vanilla absolute, and orange oil. It's a very lovely, like I say, a light, sweet, but you have got that minty freshness as well. It's a lovely scent, so I really do enjoy that one, and I'm excited to use it again. And now let's go for, I think, I'm excited to smell the soap, so let's go with that one. So the soap in this month's box is, of course, Northern Lights. This one is not a new product. We have had this before, and I think even Lush used to sell it when I worked there, if I remember correctly. Oh, it's so good. This one is a very super fresh, very zingy, just beautiful scent, and the colour alone is absolutely stunning. Ingredients wise in this one, we have got cypress oil, lime oil, coconut oil, and I think, is that everything? Yeah, it seems to be everything. Fir Needle Absolute. It's a very fresh, very almost citrusy scent, but just on the colour alone, like, I absolutely love this soap. I think it's so different and it's just vibrant and fun. I really, really love this one. And when we used to sell it in the shop, it used to be like yellow, green, blue, pink, and you used to get like random bits of it. Or am I thinking of Baked Alaska? I was thinking of Baked Alaska, of what we used to sell in the shop. Maybe we didn't have Northern Lights. I can't remember, but it does sound familiar, so I am really excited to give this one a go. Smells delish. And last but definitely not least, we have this little guy. This is the Polar Bear, oh my goodness, Polar Bear Plunge Bubble Bar. This one is cream of tartar, spearmint oil. Oh, that is so good. That went on my nose. That is what smells like the blue polos. It's a very creamy, minty smell. Like, it's very edible. Like, I want to eat that. It smells like, actually, also, you know, soft mints, you know, the blue ones of those. That is what this smells like. A very creamy, minty. Oh, it smells delicious. I could definitely eat that. But look how adorable he is. He's a cute little polar bear. Absolutely adorable. I think we did have him for Christmas of, was it 2023 maybe? Look at my hands too. Super sparkly and beautiful. I feel like I'm really looking forward to using that one, and even though I did think this was going to be the shower box, I am not mad about it, so I'm very excited about that. So that is everything that is in the Lush January kitchen subscription box. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I would love to know down below, did you get this month's box? Did you get the shower box? What was your overall thoughts and opinions? I would love to know as always. Also, if you haven't yet subscribed, please do. We are currently on our way to 12.1 thousand of you, which I'm so just eternally grateful for, and I love you all so incredibly much. You guys don't understand. And yeah, that is everything. Thank you so much for watching. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.